All right, here's an example. So we have a perimeter of 18. We have side length of 6 and 8, and we're looking for our missing side length. Remember that the first step we do is add the sides that you know. So we know 6 and 8. So step 1, we are going to add these together. So we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. And then the step 2 is subtract from the perimeter. The perimeter here is 18, so we're going to subtract 18 minus 14. And here we get 4. Now we only had one missing side, so we don't need to move on to step 3. So here would be our end, and our answer would be 4. Our length is 4. Right here would be 4. And if we wanted to check, we could always add it up. 14 plus 4 would give us 18. So it matches up. Okay, let's go ahead and look at something here. So here we have, Julia has a rectangular blanket. The width of the blanket is shown. If the perimeter of the blanket is 18 feet, so we have a perimeter, P equals 18. So if it's 18 feet, what is the missing length? So again, starting with step 1, add what you know. We know 6 and 6, so 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Now we're going to subtract from the perimeter. The perimeter is 18. So we're going to subtract 18 minus 12. Okay, which would leave us with 6. Now, here's the tricky part though. In this case, do we only have one missing side? No, we have 2 missing sides. So this is where we're going to be having to divide by however many sides are missing. So we're going to divide the 6 that we got here, so 6 divided by however many missing sides we have. In this case, we have 2 missing sides, so we're going to be taking 6 divided by 2. Now remember, if you forgot how to get 6 divided by 2, we can always switch to multiplication. 2 times what will give me 6, which will be 3. 2, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the 3 would be the answer for 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So the side lengths for here and here are 3. So our answer would be letter H. Moving on. Zachary cuts a hexagon shape that has all equal sides. Hexagon shape, all equal sides. Remember, a hexagon does have all equal sides. And if we're talking about a hexagon, think back to when we talked about our geometry on our shapes. Hexa means 6. So there's 6 sides that are all equal. If one side of a hexagon is 2 inches, what is the perimeter of the hexagon? So now we're not looking for a missing side. It wants to know what the perimeter is. So when we have a hexagon, we have 6 sides, and it's telling us that one side is 2 inches. And we know that they're all equal, which means that this is also 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 2. So if we're looking for the perimeter, P equals, how many sides do we have? We have 6 here, so we're going to say S plus S plus S plus S plus S plus S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or we could skip count or do our multiplication here. So that would be 2 times 6. Because we have 2, how many times is it repeated? 6 times. So that would give us a perimeter of 12.